Want to transform your space into a futuristic haven? Say hello to the HEXAGONE Decorative Light Kit. This all-in-one lighting solution is perfect for car shops, studios, retail spaces, and even your home. It features 3 installation options: surface-mounted, suspension-mounted, and T-bar ceiling mounting. Thanks to versatile connectors, you can customize endless configurations to suit your space perfectly. And when it comes to brightness, we don't hold back. Boasting an incredible 69,420 lumens, this kit delivers powerful, high-intensity illumination for any space. Crisp 6500K daylight color temperature at an efficient 130 lumens per watt. It ensures every detail shines with precision and clarity. Designed for durability, this kit features an IP44 weather-resistant rating, making it ideal for damp locations. With a long lifespan of 50,000 hours, you can enjoy years of maintenance-free lighting. Plus, for added peace of mind, it comes with a 5-year warranty. Wherever you're upgrading or creating your space, the HEXAGONE Light Kit offers the perfect blend of style, efficiency, and functionality. Ready to elevate your setup? Scan the QR code on screen using your smartphone to view the HEX series on WestgateMFG.com. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.